hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a little intro of what each week is going to look like. Each week will be a little bit different depending on the topic. You'll have some different practice or different activities to do, depending on what I can find and can incorporate from online. If you ever have any suggestions or find anything really cool, let me know and I can definitely incorporate it. So each week, you're going to get you'll get a document, a Word doc, with the week's plans on it. It'll have the date and the topic, and then I'll have a list of things for you to do. So the first two are watch a video on valence electrons and Lewis dot diagrams. When you click on them, it should open. So like a valence one is right here, and I did a little video and I talked you guys through it. So hopefully that helps them. And then I did a Lewis structure one as well. Now these topics are a little bit simpler, so I just have you guys watching the video, and then you're going to do a valence electron practice. So if you click on it, there's a little quiz here, activity that pops up just so you guys can practice and see how you're doing. You can go through those. You'll get an immediate feedback, which is great. You can see how you're doing and then ask me questions if you need help. When you're finished with it, you can click right here on the score, and then you can go ahead and just, actually you could go ahead and click on the score, and you should be able, to put in your period, and you can put in your score. What was your score on it? Be honest with me so I know how I can help you more. After you do that, there's a short assessment, just so I can assess you guys. Try and do it on your own without any notes or looking up anything, just so I can get the best assessment for you guys. Then 6 through 8 is a little bit different. I tried to incorporate something different so I can get an idea of what you guys like and how you like learning. For step number 6, you're going to watch the video on the intro to orbital diagrams, and there'll be a link here in just a minute, and then you can fill in the orbital diagram notes. So if you click on the fill in the orbital diagram notes, it'll drop you down to the bottom here. And I try to highlight areas in yellow that you're going to need to fill in or write your directions where you need to do stuff. Okay, so you'll take some time to go through that. Once you are done, you can come back up to the top, do the orbital diagram practice, which actually is right below that. So after you do the notes, it takes you right on into the practice. Again, I tried to highlight in yellow all the parts that you need to do. My recommendation would be to unhighlight it or do no highlight once you complete that part. In order to unhighlight something, you just simply highlight it with your cursor, come up here to the little highlight button and click none, and it'll be unhighlighted, okay? Once you finish the practice, go ahead and do the week 1 survey. This is just so I can help best figure out the way that you like to learn. Did it work for you online? What more can I do to help you guys? Just things like that to help me keep that in mind for you. When you're done, don't forget to click turn in on the document in Google Classroom. I don't have that up here because I'm not in Google Classroom at the moment, but don't forget to click turn in so then I can put everything in for you guys. Like always, if you have any questions, just let me know. You can always reply to me on Remind. When you hit reply on Remind, the messages go only to me. They don't go to the whole class, so just keep that in mind. Something else you can do is you can always email me. I'm usually really good about getting back to you guys on Remind or email. Don't forget, if you email me, it's emcdonald2. You have to put the 2 in. There's actually another E. McDonald, and she gets my messages all the time. And sometimes she forwards them to me quickly, and other times she doesn't. So it's emcdonald2 at bostonpublicschools.org. You can also reply on Google Classroom, okay? Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm here to help, and I hope everything's going well.